Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to set up and use GitHub Copilot in Android Studio. So let's get started. So first thing, here you will be having the main menu. Select it and just go to File. You'll be having the Settings option. Click here, and in Settings you are going to have Plugins and select Marketplace, and here just search for GitHub Copilot. And here you will be having the GitHub Copilot extension, the official one. Just click on install and click on accept. So once it is installed, you can just click on restart IDE and click on restart. And now we will be having this small icons over here called as GitHub Copilot, and we need to sign in with our GitHub account before using it. So make sure that you're already having an GitHub account created. Just click here, and as you can see, it's saying sign in for GitHub Copilot. Just click here. So basically, if you just click here, it will take you to the browser where you need to sign in with your GitHub account and paste this particular code. So just click here, and here I'm already having my GitHub account in the browser, so I will just click on continue, and here I need to paste that code. Click on continue and just select authorize GitHub Copilot. That's it. Now we are good. If I go to my Android Studio, and after some time it will just get reflected. So as you saw that, right, now I am completely logged in, and this is the free plan that I am using. So we are getting the GPT-4o, O3 mini, GPT 4.1 preview, and Claude 3.5 Sonnet models. So that's really amazing. Now let's see how we can use some of the features provided by GitHub Copilot. So as usual, if you want to ask any questions, you can just directly ask here the questions and select the model and send it. It will give you the response directly over here. Rather than copying the code and going to ChatGPT and pasting it and asking questions, you can literally do that over here. So just saves a lot of time. And next feature is you can ask questions from this particular file. So you're having this plus option over here, right? Click here. So you can literally select the files that are available on your system. So I'm having the main activity opened over here. So in case if your file isn't visible when you search, just open that file, make that as the current file, and at that time you'll be having that over here. So you can just select this and ask any questions from it. So I'll just go and ask, can you explain and optimize this code? And I'm giving this particular file as a reference. I'm going with GPT-4o model and send it. We have got the response like this. It's so amazing, the response. So here it has explained me the code, and if I scroll down over here, I'm also having some optimization ways. So you can just copy this code, and you're also having the insert code block at cursor. So if you place the cursor over here and click this, that particular code is getting pasted over here. And next method is the suggestion method. So for example, in case if you want any function, so you can just literally add a comment. For example, I'll just go here, /, I'll just go with give me a function to add 3 numbers. So if I just go to the next line, so as you can see, we are getting this auto complete code over here. Just press on tab to accept it, and again just come to the next line and press tab again. The code has been added for us beautifully. Now you can just remove these comments and you can just use this particular function. So this is how you can just directly add a comment and use it. And let's see another way also how we can use this feature. For example, if you want to ask any questions or make any changes for this particular code base, you can just highlight and select this code. We will be having this particular Copilot option over here. Click here, and we can ask any questions for this particular piece of code alone, and the models are appearing here. So you can just type anything, explain this, optimize it, give me the test case. You can just do anything for this, and you can just ask it to give the code. And another method over here is just select that particular file and put a /. So we are having this automatic commands itself, like explain, feedback, fix, help, and write the test cases. I'll just go with test cases and see what it gives us for this particular file. And as you can see, it has given us the test case easily. So rather than us copy pasting the whole code to ChatGPT and asking it to give the test case, this is like few clicks we can get that. So these are some of the features that I found useful in GitHub Copilot. If you have any suggestions, you can let me know in the comments. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.